Okay, my name is Veronica. I've had a back injury since I was 7 years old. It didn't start affecting me though until I got older. I've gone to chiropractors, and as I got, it got more advanced, or as I gained more weight or got older, whatever the case may be, I was given by a doctor, medical doctor, cortisone. Well, he'd give me cortisone shots every 2 weeks on the affected area, and massage therapies, and that was about it. And as it kept on getting worse and worse, he'd give me more cortisone and pain pills. I didn't take the pain pills because I don't believe in narcotics at all. I just don't like that. So I started taking aspirins, and Tylenol would cause inflammation in my stomach. Didn't feel well, and as I couldn't move around more and more, I got heavier and heavier. They said, well, because you're heavy, that's why it hurts you. So I had injuries at work, and it resulted in a rotator cuff being torn. I had surgery, and they wanted to send me home with morphine. So I used ice instead of morphine because, like I said, I don't like drugs. And then it just complicated problems. I'm having difficulty moving my arm, difficulty walking. I have headaches all the time because of the surgery. And I have had an MRI, and they said I have like a little spur on the 6th vertebrae on my neck. My neck doesn't bend right anymore, and this all due to the operation. So I came to Dr. Tong to see if he could help me. Right now I have a real bad headache, and just in pain right now. Okay, I've gone to 2 orthopedic surgeons, one that did the rotator cuff surgery and the one that was going to give me therapy for my neck that suggested I had another operation, so I stopped seeing them. Then I went to 3 chiropractors that offered me temporary relief of the adjustment. And then I started getting panic attacks. I don't know, my medical doctor said that was from thyroid. They took me off work at, I was 55 years old when they medically retired me. They gave me Zoloft and Advance, which affected my memory very much. I weaned myself off the Zoloft after they wanted to give me Paxil, which is another antidepressant drug. And I don't really think I was depressed. I really think that it all had to do with physical and all what was happening with me. All I was given was drugs and more drugs. I've just had my first treatment, and I can move my arm. I couldn't do this without any pain. Also, my overall breathing and the anxiety that I was suffering is gone. Also, when I had the cortisone shots in my arm, for my arm, it would only last, first of all I was sore, then it would only last 1 day, and the weight gain that I experienced with those cortisone shots was 15 to 20 pounds each shot. And then they tell me it was because I was heavy that I was having all these problems. So then they wanted to put me on fen-phen or something else. Anyway, this was the order of things, and I had over 9 shots throughout my body of cortisone. So after the treatment, my headache is gone. I had a constant headache and a neck ache. My arm, I can lift it, and just a little sore for the shot, but that's about it. And I didn't lose any weight. I just got off the table, and I'm just making this recording now. Okay, this my first treatment, my pain is gone, and I didn't lose any weight. The medical doctor was telling me that my problem was because of the weight that I was carrying. I didn't lose any weight. Pain is gone, and I feel better, feel more energized. Them telling me that it was my fault. The weight, I was so heavy, that's what was hurting me. My back doesn't hurt me. My lower back, I had pain throughout my right side. It's gone. It's pretty much gone. My headache is